Hi everyone, welcome back to the IELC YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to share an idiom with you. Instead of telling you the definition first, I'm going to use it in an example. So listen carefully because you'll hear some information that will help you guess the meaning of this idiom. So for the past few days, I've been a little under the weather. You can probably tell my voice is still a little scratchy, and that's because I've had a sore throat, a cough, and I just haven't been feeling well because I've had the flu. So, can you guess what under the weather means? I gave you some clues about my voice and feeling sick the past few days. So, under the weather is an idiom that means when you're not feeling well in general. So now, instead of saying I'm sick or I don't feel well, you can say I'm under the weather. So a way that I might use this is if one of my friends invites me out, but I'm just not feeling up to it because I feel sick. I could say, oh, thanks for the invite, but I'm a little under the weather, so I don't think I'm gonna make it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on American culture and English. And share it with a friend who's learning English too, so you can learn together. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye.